It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Wash, and I'm back again with another video. This is going to be a special video. This video is for 1,000 subscribers. Wait, I haven't made 1,000 subscribers yet, but this is what this video is about. So Aquemini Pressure Wash is about to make a milestone and having 1,000 subscribers. So I decided I'm gonna do a giveaway. What we're gonna be doing here is giving away a $25 gift card to Amazon. Now, in this giveaway, you have to watch this whole video so you can follow the instructions so you'll know what to do to be entered to win. Okay, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're a subscriber to this channel. That is very important for you to be entered into this contest. To the 630 subscribers that I have now, let me say thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I will make sure that I will keep all the good videos coming out so you'll have something to enjoy. If you are new here, let me tell you about myself. My name is Marcos. I am the owner of Aquemini Pressure Washing here in Atlanta, Georgia. This channel is Aquemini Pressure Washing. What I show here are satisfying videos of me pressure washing houses, decks, fences, and anything else that needs to be pressure washed. Not only that, a lot of my jobs require me to do deck staining or either fix staining. So not only do I wash houses and concrete, I do fences and deck cleaning as well. Sometimes they are so bad a shape that we had to go back and stain them. One thing that you want to do when it comes to fences and decks, you don't want to use paint, you want to use stain. That is a tip. And that's one of the things that I do in my videos. I give you tips. Now, my first video I released was back in February. Since then, I have over 100,000 views and 637 subscribers. And as you notice, I have 57 videos in that 11-month period time. So content is not a problem when it comes to this channel. Make sure that you go check out the other videos so you'll see exactly what I do on this channel. Now, this is the next step that you need to do to enter the contest. In this video right here, I need you to leave a comment. That way I can contact you if you're the winner. And while you're at it, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Aquemini Pressure Washing. Hey, it's not a requirement to follow me on Instagram, but while you're there, go ahead and do that. So let me tell you what's coming up this year. This year, we're gonna have more great videos of me pressure washing. Also, I'm gonna be throwing in shorts. That way you can get a short glimpse of maybe a long video that's coming out, or is it gonna be how-tos, or just something enjoyable that you need to look at for under 1 minute. I'm gonna add that into the mix so that give you more variety. I'm still gonna do the how-to videos and explain different things so you'll know what to do if you're out there trying to start your business, or if you're a do-it-yourselfer trying to pressure wash your house or driveway. Now, let me tell you this, I may be having something coming up real big next year. It could be something dealing with a trailer, and it's gonna be something unique that you can't find on any other channel on YouTube dealing with pressure washing. Coming up this year, I'm gonna do some major upgrades to different equipment. So I really hope that you're here for the enjoyment of watching my videos and not here just for the giveaway. So while you're here, make sure that you go by and check out the other videos on the channel. If you see something that you like, make sure you hit that like button. So if you see something in a video that you have a question about, leave a comment below and I'll try to answer you in the video or either just respond to you. Even though I may reach 1,000 subscribers, you have time to enter the contest up to the time of the drawing. So make sure that you follow the instructions that I told you earlier in the video what to do. Okay, YouTube, that's going to do it for the video. I hope that you learned something from it. If not, at least I hope you found it entertaining. If none of those things happen, that means you skipped over the good parts. Go back and look at the video. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Wait, I got one more thing to tell you. Just like I said, you had to watch the video all the way through so you'll know how to enter the contest. This is the last step. My company is named after a song from a famous rap group. What is the name of that famous rap group? Hashtag the name of that rap group along with the comment that you put in this video. Very simple. So if you watch the video all the way through, you know the things that you have to do to get to this point. Like I told you, you had to watch the video all the way through so you can be entered in the giveaway. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'm out this time. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquemini.